Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola tin packs are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Clean water ensures consistency and safety. Carbonation gives the drink its signature fizz. Impurities are stripped away through industrial-grade filtration. The drink waits for packaging. Signature taste is carefully added.
Purified sugar is stored for formulation.
The base syrup begins to form. Heat refines the liquid into purity.
The pressure waveform is critical.
I'm compensating the carbonation matrix. It's stabilizing now.
Sugar ratios remain nominal.
We carefully monitor the precise balance of ingredients. This consistency is key to the unique taste of Coca-Cola.
Every can is carefully formed, cleaned, and prepared for filling.
And that's how Coca-Cola tin packs are made, from start to finish.
We've processed 50,000 12-packs this hour.
And the error rate is still negligible. This system is incredibly efficient.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Precision filling ensures perfect volume.